so you can't drive this car on the road.
Kind of here too. Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna be shooting the M3 GTR. Turn this on. There we go. Yeah, we're taking this thing out to photo shoot. I think it's actual first professional photo shoot. Yeah, first professional photo shoot. It looks exactly the same way it did in Vegas, obviously. Just haven't done anything. I'm gonna use more of this GoPro footage. Obviously the sound quality on this thing is horrible because it's just wind noise. But we'll see how it is if I use the sound quality from this camera. Yeah, just gonna take it out. Obviously I didn't fix the bumper fitment or any of the side skirt fitment or anything, just because I haven't really, not so much had time, but the weather's horrible because it's just freezing now in New Jersey and everything.
Police department, license, registration, insurance, sir.
Okay.
Nice car, though.
Thank you.
You did everything to it?
Yep.
All right, buddy. This is the reason I stopped you, really.
What? Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah,
what?
man.
That's weird, really? I literally just got the plates
Like I said, I was like...
I literally just got the plates like a month or two ago, so I figured...
You bought the car, or...?
No, like, well, I mean, I bought it like over a year ago, but obviously for the vanity plates...
Right.
I got the, how, like...
It's coming up in my computer as expired, so...
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright.
You got.
I believe it. I mean, it says it right there.
Yeah,
so.
that's what I'm saying. So
Yeah. I didn't know that.
You got someone that can pick you up?
No.
Because you can't drive this car on the road.
Why? Like, because it's expired?
Yeah. God forbid, let's say.
I mean, I'm going like to like a place that's like literally down the block, and it can stay there for.
Yeah, but whatchamacallit, what if you gotta drive home, right?
No, like I can leave it there. It's my friend's house.
I can't really.
So it's gonna have to be towed now because of that.
No.
So where?
What
it has to be left here?
You gonna park it right here. Then maybe next to the red Civic or something like that, just for.
I can't leave it here. It doesn't have windows. It doesn't have locks. It doesn't have anything. I physically like can't because it would get stolen or something. Like, I mean, it has a really high chance of getting stolen. Is my point, because it's obviously kept in a garage and everything.
Right.
So like,
you can't roll up the windows.
No,
there are no windows. There's no glass.
You can't drive them. You have no windows, man.
I mean, it's these. I know you just need a windshield legally.
I know that. But
I mean,
the first I've ever heard of car can no window.
Yeah, a lot of.
Like I said, my best chance is, having it park here and maybe telling FedEx because they got security here.
So we got pulled over because my registration's expired apparently, which makes no sense because I just got this new like vanity plate like months ago, and it renews the registration for a year. I'm pretty sure. Maybe I'm not sure, but yeah. So they're like not letting us drive the car. Although like if this was like any other car, people like just get like you can get a ticket for no expired registration and then like not have anything happen. But he's probably also gonna give me a ticket for that on top of it. Because it's such a modified car, that's probably why. So I have to leave it in some random warehouse lot now, but like I'm probably just gonna come back for it in like a couple hours and just get the hell out of here.
This is a summons for unregistered vehicle. Okay. Right. However, you get your car registered, and if you come to court, I'll be willing to work with you on that.
What's the date?
Right now it's slated for 12/3/18. That's a Monday, 9 a.m.
Okay.
Okay, like I said, you get it registered.
Yeah.
From there.
Okay.
Is the color supposed to be? Was it originally black?
Yeah, this color.
That's why. Yeah, tell them to change the color too, because I'm
on
like
what?
that. Don't.
Oh, they can do it on the registration.
Yeah, they can do it on the registration.
Right. I don't know what. Silver or blue.
It's up to you, man. It's either or.
Blue.
So, all right, man.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
I just don't want you to.
Yeah, no worries. I understand. I understand it's a liability thing.
I'm just letting you park on the side.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Take care.
You.
Okay. Let's get a picture really quickly.
Can you keep your lights on for like 20 seconds? Just like picture. It's my first time being pulled over, and there's a whole thing where I know it makes no sense.
So my question is like, how does he know like if we just like literally the second he leaves the lot, how does he know we're not gonna like start the car and just eat?
He might have like notified the rest of the police department or something.
Well, I'm sure we can get out of this place without hitting a cop. Not right now, but like in an hour or two. Or like, do you think he's gonna like come back tonight and then like if it's not here, then?
I feel like
I don't think they care that much. No, like seriously, I swear to God, like I know so many people that get pulled over for expired registration and insurance.
And if anything, you could just say that we trailered it. We had your friend
Yeah,
trailer.
yeah, all right, yeah, that's a good. Because like technically they don't actually have to appear in court, but if you're like challenging it, you can. But like he said, as long as it actually does does that mean I still have to pay like court fees though? Like I probably still have to pay that because if you do anything court related, even if it's dropped, you still have to pay like a $50 court fee, which is like stupid as hell. Yeah. Well, the court's right there. I think that's the police station, but it might be the court too. But yeah, good game. Now we're waiting for Skylar to pick us up, and we're literally just gonna come back in like an hour, I suppose, or 30 minutes or something like that, to grab this car because it's Sunday, and if you guys don't know, the DMV and stuff like that are all closed Sunday. Saturday I think they're opened in the morning, but basically I literally can't register this car until tomorrow morning. So there's no way I'm leaving it in some random FedEx parking lot overnight with a car that has like no alarm system or locks or windows or anything. So GG, backup has arrived. I don't know how the hell we're all gonna fit in here, but so out of place, sitting here. So assuming nothing interesting happens, the video's over here. And thank you so much for watching. If something does happen, we get pulled over, I'll record it. But I doubt it. We're just gonna get on the highway and we're like 20 minutes away from here. And I'll go register tomorrow morning, so it'll be legal. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I guess enjoy this little nightclub.